In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Razer Kaira Pro to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Razer Kaira Pro headset to work on your PlayStation 4 is extremely simple. You will be able to do this easily as long as you have the Razer Kaira Pro designed for PlayStation. There are two models of Razer Kaira Pro headsets, one of those being for the Xbox, so you need to make sure that you have the version designed for PlayStation consoles, and you will be able to use it natively. So all that you have to do is unbox the headset, and usually there will be a Type-C wireless dongle included. You will be connecting the Razer Kaira Pro to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 through this Type-C dongle. So all that you have to do is plug the Type-C wireless dongle to your PlayStation. You can plug it in directly to any available USB-C port that you have, or use the included Type-C to Type-A converter or adapter. Once you plug in the adapter and then you plug the wireless dongle into the adapter itself, this will also work, so choose whichever option you prefer. All that you have to do now is press and hold the power button on the headset itself. It is going to turn on, and once it is powered on, it will automatically pair itself up with the wireless dongle. If it doesn't pair itself up right away, or if you notice that no lights are blinking and so on, the best course of action is going to be to charge the headset. So plug it into any of the available ports on your PC, laptop, or any available power source, and you will be able to charge it. Once it is sufficiently charged, try the whole process with the Type-C dongle again, and now it should work. As soon as this is done, you can go over to the settings inside of your PlayStation 4, usually on devices and then audio devices, and you will be able to set the input device and output device to the Razer headset model that you connected. This will also work for the PlayStation 5 and even PC. So all that you have to do is plug the wireless dongle in. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Kaira Pro to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.